All right, another tech video coming at you. Tonight we have a Razer Blade 14-inch, and what happened with this guy was a couple things. I got this on major discount because it was missing some stuff. But to start with, I opened it up with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws along the outside, and then the back just lifts up. Now this one was missing a foot here, which I replaced with a foot from Laptop-Feet. This was immediately out of the box how it arrived. This is a company out of Greece or something, and that is an absolutely pitiful product. I will be bashing their name forevermore. They are a piece of garbage company. Don't buy from them. This is the original foot, and as you can see, the replacement that they sent me is just a piece of silicone with adhesive that does not stick to the foot at all. Straight away. I'm really mad about that. Anyway, backplate off. You get to see the inside of this machine. One of the things that was wrong with it is the battery itself was completely bloated. And this indicates that the battery packs are failing. There's bloating on all of these on both sides. And I have seen some videos where they puncture these cavities and let it breathe out. But the battery's already failing. It's holding a charge right now, but I just wasn't brave enough to use it. I didn't want to mess with it, so I went ahead and I ordered a new battery, and this one is Razer branded. You can see a little blemish here, and I peeled this back because I kind of don't believe this is a real Razer battery. It's got a little bit different texture. Maybe you can see that. But otherwise the battery looks really good, and I got it for a pretty decent price. Usually the Razer branded ones are going for $100 or so, and this one was 75, and I got him to go down a little bit lower. So once you remove the back, getting to the battery is quite simple. I need to go get the rest of the screws, which I'll do in just a moment, but basically you've got this little ribbon cable. For whatever reason, it goes over the outside of the battery, which is kind of annoying. Oh, there we go. Over and under, okay. And this battery was so bloated that it was actually making the mouse buttons pop up on the other side. Had a whole bunch of issues, and I don't remember even if it had an operating system on it, but it does now, and it's all ready to go. One of these fans is making a noise, and technically it should be replaced. I haven't done that yet. I'm not certain that I'm going to do that, but I'll figure it out. Time will tell. Time will tell. So with this little ribbon cable, I'm just going to push it in to its spot with my fingernail, and we get that plugged in, and then I've got to go get all the rest of the screws to hold this in. After that, I've got one little thing to transplant, and it's this piece here, little piece of plastic. And then I'll be able to, in fact, I'll probably push this down first and then transplant this guy. So the machine will be ready to go in just a few minutes. I also had to order a charger for this particular machine, and the chargers for these are expensive, and so is the battery. So ultimately I'm into this laptop for more than I'd like to be, but I mean, it is a Razer gaming laptop after this, so okay, what a mix. What a stinking mix. Okay, So those are in, our ribbon cable is connected. I've technically got screws everywhere that it needs. There might be one left somewhere, but. Ooh. All right, now we're gonna clean that off. Transplant this sucker. Well, basically, what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to pull these two apart and keep the stickiness on the rubber bit. Oh, crap. Okay. You know, that's like got to be there for a reason, right? Super important. Okay. So that is all the screw holes actually accounted for, including this long one. Now, sure, they're a mix, you know. I don't know what to tell you. Really don't. I hope that these poor screws are like, they can't even take one more, you know? So we're gonna blend in the best screws of the bunch to go in the holes. Like that one's not even gonna do anything. It's just literally filling a spot. These ones. Oh, whew, that one slipped some teeth. That's not good. Ooh. Can't really make that one go either. So when I got this machine, all of these things were just stripped out so bad. Oh, there it is. It's all my time for tonight. But you know what? Let's just see if we have any kind of life on this. Oh, we do. It's kind of a great machine, you know. Very, very low. Okay. All right. So it looks like we've got the battery's probably completely dead now, but we've got it replaced. And unfortunately, I don't have a screw kit for this. I might end up having to just like order one, or again, I've just got to find these parts, like another foot, a couple things, and this thing is in really good shape. And it's a good machine. Stupid. And then the other part that I ordered wrong. Ugh. All right, anyway, thanks for checking this out. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all my subscribers. Thumbs up. And we'll catch you in the next one. Oh, I don't think they're the right. That one does not.